Hello! That's a weird new intro I have. It is Tuesday, January 7th, and I'm making another video because I said I was going to make videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Actually, I don't think I said that. I think I said I was going to do it twice a week. It's going to be every Tuesday and Thursday. And first of all, it's freaking freezing outside, as you've probably heard about. It's called like a polar vortex or something. It's a polar vortex. I didn't know that thing existed. It's like negative degrees. Temperature is like 20, but the wind makes it like -3, and that's a temperature that you don't want to be in. It can give you frostbite just from being outside. Luckily, I didn't have any reason to be outside anyway, so I'm inside in my nice warm room. I'm even wearing a t-shirt. It's because he's a pocket monster. It's nice and warm, and I'm like happy about that. I'm like happy. I'm in a condition wherein I'm similar to being happy. I went to a Nerdfighter Yule Ball, which was like a Christmas dance, and everybody, for the most part, dressed up, and there was dancing and chatting, and I knew almost all the people who were there, which was really exciting. The Nerdfighters of the greater DC area are totally awesome. We have a lot of members. We have like almost 2,500 members. It's crazy. I'm one of the moderators. I don't do very much, but I try. My boyfriend and I, we were one of the couples chosen as cutest couple, so we won a Yoda. This is Yoda. He is a Yoda. Star Wars nerds, do you know what Yoda is actually called? We were wearing matching green, so picking him was perfect. It was like, what else would we choose but something that's green? Now, I wanted to tell you about some of the books that I'm reading. I'm reading two books that are very different right now. They don't really go together at all, and that's what makes it great. Bonk by Mary Roach. I'm almost half the way through now. It's very educational and very hilarious. I'm learning a lot of things that I probably should have learned when I was in school, but somehow didn't, probably because teachers chose not to tell us about them. It's also hilarious because Mary Roach has a very good sense of humor. It's about sex. It's about the science behind sex, and like how, like why things are the way that they are, and how she describes pictures, but she doesn't put the pictures in the books because she's wicked that way. But then I go on Google image search and then I look them up, and it's like midnight and I'm looking at my computer and I'm like, so that's my life reading Bonk. I really liked Spook as well. It's about people pretending that they can talk to dead people. And I also really like Stiff, which is about what happens to you when you die. I'm a morbid person, but I also enjoy good sex. I'm also reading Hugo. This is the biggest book I've ever read, probably. It's crazy. It's like a brick. I guess, yeah, Brian Selznick's other book, which I have on my shelf, I actually own the other one, and it's called Wonderstruck. That is really good as well, but this is Hugo, and Martin Scorsese turned it into a movie a few years ago, and I really liked the movie, and I really liked the book. It's like words, and then like beautiful pictures. This is a beautiful picture of Hugo looking at a bunch of books, and I'm almost done with it. The only reason it's taking me so long is because I'm reading Bonk at the same time, and sometimes I just can't decide which one do I want to pick up. Does that ever happen to you? This is why I usually try not to read two books at the same time, because they like fight in my brain over what I should be reading. I hope you're having an awesome week. I will be back on Thursday to talk about something random, probably. And stay warm if you're anywhere that's cold. A lot of the earth is cold right now. Like the only state that's not cold in America is Florida. So if you're in Florida, kind of mad at you.